Divergent thinkers, as we established in the slides, they do very well what is brainstorming. But what about if we could help them organize those ideas? In this particular case, I bring you Ideamap.ai, which is a tool that allow us brainstorm and mind map in a much more organized way. For example, I'm just going to paste the one-liner prompt that we've got from the slide, which is build a product for an eco-friendly shoe startup. Here are some proposals of which specifically we want to focus on. But if we are just starting and we don't have much of an idea, it can actually do this for us as well. So let's click this one, like when we have no idea, we just have like an initial thought, and here it's how it would look like. It will break up the different possibilities for us to develop and discard if that's not the road that we want to go on. So as you can see, we've got a zoom control where we're going to be able to maximize. Oops, we have to wait for it to finish. Okay, all right, now we're done. So in this case, we can maximize, and as you can see, each one of the bubbles are, we're able to edit each one of them. For example, more in the sense of editing the idea, editing, adding to notes, sharing the idea, for example, with our teacher, with our classmates. But let's go, for example, here. In this case, developing the idea of sustainable fabrics, for instance, here we go. And imagine that, well, I don't like this one. Let's expand it. Okay, expand the idea. What do you want? Do you want it to make it like into a prompt? Do you want to make a much more deeper idea? So here we go. We're generating it. So we start a conversation with it. It generates the idea for us to help us unblock ourselves if that was the case. And for example, here about environmental impact, same thing. Imagine here that you want to attach a document because you have already been doing some research about it. You attach it, and then you can, edit the idea because it will analyze it for you as well, and so on and so forth. So here is Ideamap for you. I hope that you and your students find it useful as much as I have.